Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. I had to race home today because this is what came in the mail. Massive Funko box. Inside is a jumbo pop. They're no longer called 10-inch pops. Let's go ahead and get inside. Oh my gosh. This is everything. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is the jumbo pop of Miss Minutes. This is a Summer Convention 2022 limited edition. I never thought I was going to be able to get my hands on this. This is glow in the dark. This was available on the Funko shop, and I saw it flash in an ad, as one does when you're scrolling, looking for things to buy. And I was like, oh my goodness, I never even thought I'd have the opportunity to see this in person, let alone be able to purchase this. Like, this box is huge. As part of this line, this is the biggest, oh my gosh. This is so great. I really need to get on it and go back and collect this series. Let's take a better look at her. I'd like to accept this award on behalf of... She is hefty, and her face, oh my gosh, she feels so good. This is crazy. But Miss Minutes looks so great, and I love the detail on the hand there with the striping. And she just, this is how the back, it's very simple, and I think that's what people love about like anything like that's a mascot. It's very simple. They tell you what happened, and it's just something you connect with. I think that's why the ad icons are so popular. And when you see Miss Minutes, it's in that same vein. She has that cutesy look on her face. You know, that is reminiscent of cartoons in the 1920s. And it's just an amazing pop to have. And to think that this glows in the dark, I am so freaking excited that she is part of my collection. I have a small number of jumbo size pops / 10-inch pops. They had to change the name because they're not exactly 10 inches tall, or some of them are just missing just by that much. And I think it's a Mushu. I have an Ant-Man that's actually Giant Man, and then the Oogie Boogie. I actually will link up above that Oogie Boogie, and you can check him out because I love him. That was a really good one. I'm so happy to have that part of my collection, and now I can add this darling to the mix. She is so diabolical. We all know that this little cute face was hiding something very, very important this whole time. The whole time. For all time. Comment down below, do you have this pop? Have you seen this pop in person? Do you have the other pop featuring her as the little itty bitty sidekick? Thank you so much for joining me. This is just very quick. I just wanted to show this new addition to my Funko collection. Get this pop. I think it's still available. If you love Loki, if you love that series, I highly recommend getting her. She's just so freaking cool. She stands up perfectly. Hi. If you have not heard, I am doing a giveaway. It's till this date, so please go ahead and refer to my video that just recently came out of my pin haul / the giveaway announcement. It is still going on, still going strong, so please go ahead and get your entries in. I definitely want to give away that $50 credit to Loungefly to one lucky winner. Go ahead and go to that video for the rules, and be safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.